there, Les Waller with Financial Independence Now. How are you doing today? We've had some questions about Wealthy Affiliate, the website and the service and stuff like that. So we're going to take a deeper dive into Wealthy Affiliate today. So stick around and watch as we go deeper into Wealthy Affiliate. And I'll give you my honest opinions. What's good, what's bad, why should you stay, why should you not? Let's get to it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you see here the dashboard for Wealthy Affiliates, my account here, and let's just get moving. So I'll be giving my honest opinion in this post on the Wealthy Affiliate Review 2019. I'll tell you the benefits of being a member and how this applies to affiliate marketing for beginners. Of course, this also applies to seasoned professionals as well. I will give you my personal experiences as a new member on this website. I will also be able to make references to my experiences with other products and services, since I have several other niche websites using a different web hosting service.
Stop what you're doing right now. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what you've seen so far, and we'll keep on moving.
Before we go any further, let me give you my bottom line up front. Wealthy Affiliate shows you how to create, manage, and grow your business online. It is an all-inclusive affiliate marketing platform. The service provided within includes thousands of hours of training, live classes, expert and personal support from me and others, domains, websites, and hosting, and you'll be able to network with so many members, it is unreal. It is one of the largest online affiliate marketing communities, and the speed of responses to your questions is just amazing. If you don't believe me, then read my full report below that covers everything as I know it right now. Training. Let's start with the training that is available here at Wealthy Affiliate. There are two paths to take. The Affiliate Bootcamp you see here, for those who want to build a site that markets Wealthy Affiliate, and the Online Entrepreneur Certification, and the Online Entrepreneur Certification that you see here. As a starter member, you have access to the first 10 classes to each of these paths. You see here, this is the first path, level 1, and Affiliate Bootcamp. This is the first phase, which I've already completed. I've taken the Affiliate Bootcamp path as I already have several niche websites on a different hosting service that I've been with for years. The Affiliate Bootcamp consists of 7 phases, with each phase having 10 courses. I like the style and completeness of instruction so much that I upgraded to a premium membership shortly after starting the courses. The 7 phases include getting your business rolling, content, keywords, and conversions, giving your site social value, get visual, get aesthetic, get a brand through media, knowing your audiences and catapulting your referrals, Bing, Yahoo, and the power of PPC, or pay-per-click, how to scale successful PPC campaigns. Within less than an hour, I had a WordPress site installed and started working on my website. The instructions are very clear, and if you have any questions, you can type them in the search bar above the page to see if they've already been asked and answered. Very convenient and very easy. You'll see here, this is the bar I'm talking about. So let's say we will have a question. How to move domain. You see how quickly the other questions come up over here? I'm stuck on how to move a domain. Can anyone help me? 4 people have replied. How to move over my site rubrics to my own domain. 9 have replied. And I used this exact same question because I wasn't sure when I started my site rubrics account and moved it to my domain. And easy peasy. So the other path takes to the online certification course. Let's go back to training. Online Entrepreneur Certification. It consists of 5 phases of 10 courses, each including getting started, building your own traffic producing website, making money, mastering social engagement, achieving maximum success through content creation. There are also hundreds, if not thousands, of 1-hour classroom training sessions in the archives for you to see. So we go to classrooms here, and you can see there are oodles and oodles of classes. You can choose by topic. You can also put in a research. Websites, which is the next tab here. You can have up to 2 on-site websites as a starter member. You can have 25 on-site websites plus up to 25 domain websites as a premium member. 2 websites as a starter member should give you enough exposure to the training and opportunities to be able to decide if you want to really dig in and make this a great business. Within the Websites tab, you have access to 7 subheadings, including Site Manager, Site Builder, Site Domains, Site Content, Site Comments, Site Feedback, and Site Support. If you like, you can watch from the sidelines as I continue to add my website, Marine Helping Veterans. Link is in the blog post, and it'll be in the description of the video. Next, we have live events. Once a week, a 1-hour live webinar is held to train people on a different subject. All past webinars are kept in an archive and available for premium members to watch at any time. You can see here the next one is on the 30th. Now, this might be showing the 30th because I'm in Europe, so I'm ahead of when the class actually takes place in the US. And then here are the archived videos which are available. As you can see, a lot of content here. You can also search for events and look under past, etc., etc. Research. The research tabs is also broken down into 7 different categories and are run by the tool Jaxi. You have Site Rank, tracks historical rankings, monitor your website authority. My keyword list, create, manage powerful lists of keywords. Search analysis, analyze your competition, discover SEO trends. Alphabet soup, uncover millions of niches and keywords. Brainstorm headquarters, find trending, popular, and lucrative ideas. Affiliate programs, search and find relevant affiliate programs in your niche. Niche keyword lists, exclusive to Wealthy Affiliate Premium members, niche keyword lists. Next we have live chat. This tab brings up a flow of the live chats that are currently going on. If you want to watch the live chat and respond to questions that come up, it's easy to do it this way. Also, if you want to ask a question and get a quick response, this is the place to do it. So let's just take a look at the live chat for a second here. I believe that's covered in level 4 training. Just take it one step at a time. Training is very detailed. Absolutely. I'm trying to add my privacy policy and I still have a piece of WordPress sample information that needs to be deleted. So you can see 7 minutes ago, a new vet asked a question. New lawyer already respond. And if there's anybody else watching that may have more detailed answer or response, then they'll put it in here. And I found that there are some people that are actually watching this all the time and responding quickly. And the reason being, there's actually a very good process that they have. So you can see here, I'm ranked at 129,802. Earlier today, I was at 182 something. So by responding to people's questions, comments, posts, and stuff like that, it'll raise your rank in the hierarchy. And with that will come rewards. So it's a win-win situation. People are responding to people's questions, people are helping people out, and you're also able to get some perks and rewards for doing that. Help Center. This is the final tab on the left side of the page. This will show you site support, ask a question, live chat, private message. The Help Center will also display your premium coaches, Carson and Kyle, which are the founders of this website. Walmel, which is the person that referred to me. Finally, there will be listed the top helpers for today, as you can see here. On the top of the screen is the top bar, and as by default, from left to right, the Wealthy Affiliate homepage icon, the Help search bar, where you can input your questions like I showed you earlier. And next are some 6 icons. We have a pencil, a W coin, a dollar circle, a plane, notification bell, and an envelope. The pencil opens up the following choices: blog at Wealthy Affiliate, create trading, write an article, build a website, and find a domain. The W coin takes you to the credits page that goes over cash credits and affiliate credits. The page shows your progress with each and how they can be exchanged for money or services. So you can see here, as a new account owner, I have 0. I'm fine with that. I've been on this site for definitely less than a week, only a couple days. But you can see here you can get cash credits, affiliate credits, and turn those in for money and or for some types of services. The dollar circle leads to program details, my stats, tasks, my referrals, links and tracking, messages, and banners. If we look at my stats, so as you can see from my stats, I've already had some people clicking on an affiliate link of mine and a couple of people actually coming to Wealthy Affiliates. This is based on a video that I put up on my YouTube channel. The airplane pops up a pop-up that will take you to a page that gives you more information on the Wealthy Affiliates Las Vegas Super Affiliate Conference that's paid for by Wealthy Affiliates. So if you were to click Learn More here, you can see the blog post they have that talks all about it. There's a link in the article that takes you to this page. The notification bell will have a white number with a red circle to notify you if someone has commented on your post, or a post you're following, and other things. It helps you to promptly respond to people. You can see here, these 7 people followed me. Someone that responded to my comment directly. Some more people follow me, and more comments and stuff like that. The envelope will take you to the private message inbox. And here you can see I've been sending messages back and forth to Walmel, who's actually my older brother. All right, as a side note, some people wonder how hard it is to write a 1,000-page article. Well, what I've written up until now, we come out at around 1,063 words, and this is just going over what the Wealthy Affiliate website has to offer briefly. I haven't even gone into many of the areas that I've bulleted up above yet. So let's get down to brass tacks. The hosting service that I've been a yearly member of since the early 2000s costs about $200 a year. It gives me unlimited websites, email services for them, and a bunch of other plugins. Domain costs about $10 per year. If I paid the yearly fee here instead of month by month, you can see it would equate to about $30 a month or $360. However, here's what I don't get from my hosting plan over there. No immediate responses to questions, no community whatsoever, very little training on the available plugins, mostly written training from the vendors, no affiliate marketing for their service, so there's no incentive to tell others about it. Think about it. If you have referred 3 people who become premium members here, you have just paid for the services here. Is that going to be so hard to do? Websites that are slow to respond when put into a speed test, and I could go on and on about what they don't have. I've only been here less than a week, and here's what I really like so far, as I've only just begun to see what all this is here. A great community outreach. People are continually commenting on my posts and reaching out and being neighborly. This writing tool is a great way to make posts and pages for your websites. It is so easy now to sit down and just start writing. And it comes with spelling and grammar checker, and I'll look to see if there's duplicate content on the web. I will use that especially when I start to outsource articles. I'll be able to ensure who I'm paying isn't just copying and pasting someone else's content. Ease of buying a domain and moving a local cited domain to that purchased domain. The training progresses in such a smart way you don't feel lost or confused. It's just one step at a time and very enjoyable to go through. The research tools all in one place is a great idea. Before I had to do Google searches and YouTube searches and use all of these individual tools to get the answers that I cannot get now in one spot. The time that I'll save on this part by itself will pay for itself. Having everything available on any page you are working on is also very convenient. With a different software vendor, I have to have a separate account to log in and check my referrals than the account that I use for the service. That's kind of ridiculous. Having everything at one price with no upsells is great. I'm a member of another affiliate marketing service and everything is an upsell. I'm currently spending $60 per month to be an affiliate and I get little assistance. The training they have is their big upsell and I won't get that until I pay for it. And I mean a lot. I'll probably use what I earn here to pay for their training, or maybe I won't even need it after completing the training here. The best thing is you can try this out for free. So why not come on in, create a free account, and get behind the wheel of the driver's seat. There's a link in the article and there's a link in the description below where you can create your free account. And finally, comments are appreciated. If you have any experience with Wealthy Affiliates or any other service like this, don't hesitate to say something in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and maybe even do more reviews on other services that are out there that will help us all as affiliate marketers make it in today's online environment.
Thanks again for watching. Much appreciated. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next video. Got any questions, comments, concerns? Put them in the comments down below. We will reply to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.